Welcome to Casa del Patio here in Estepona. Beautiful little bedding area, TV with international channels. You got a closet, you got a wreath for Christmas, sitting area, and then of course a kitchen. You got microwave, hot plate, and little mini fridge, also an espresso, and beautiful little bathroom. Kind of like the shower. That's love the Spanish tile. They give you a little toiletry kit here. The place is centrally located, so the location is top notch. They also own another property, which I was looking at renting, Casa del Azul, but they own it. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same standard as this. So if this is booked, yeah, check that place out. It's basically like a little mini apartment, and there's a beautiful foyer. I'll leave some shots, and I'll take some shots of the outside. It's cool, and you can do keyless entry. And like you can check in yourself if you show up late or whatever. So super convenient if you're a tourist checking out Estepona.